morning grade 9. Let us go for second question. Now see students, if you are using very old textbooks, the question was different. Second question only I am talking about. And if you are using the latest one, the question is as follows. So you please check the question first. I am reading it. The denominator of a fraction is 1 less than twice its numerator. I am reading again. Denominator of a fraction is 1 less than twice its numerator. If 1 is added to numerator and denominator respectively, the ratio of numerator and denominator is 3:5. Find the fraction. So this is the question according to which I have solved. Alright. Now see. The condition is denominator is less by 1 than twice its numerator. So let us take numerator as x. So denominator is 1 less than twice its numerator. That is denominator. So if I consider numerator as x and denominator as y, then y which is denominator is 1 less, means minus sign. It is 1 less than twice its numerator. So 2x minus 1 because x is numerator. Is this clear? Okay. Now I have just rearranged the terms. Y I have shifted here and 1 I have shifted here. So it becomes 2x minus y is equal to 1. While writing, I have written variables first and then the constant number. Are you understanding me? You want me to explain this how I have did? Just look here. It was y is equal to 2x minus 1. So I took 1 this side, it became plus, and this is 2x. I shifted y, so it is minus y. This I have written 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Have you understood what I have done? So that is how we got equation 1. Okay, fine. Now look at equation 2. 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. So our numerator was x. After adding 1 to the numerator, it became x plus 1. After adding 1 to the denominator also became y plus 1. After adding 1 to the numerator and 1 to the denominator, the fraction or their ratio, the ratio of numerator to denominator ratio became 3/5. Have you understood? Now just cross multiply. 5 will be multiplying with x plus 1 and 3 will be multiplying with y plus 1. Alright? If 5 is outside the bracket, both the terms will be multiplied by 5. So you have 5x plus 5 which is equal to 3y plus 3. Now I have taken all the variables on one side. So 5x, 3y shifted over here, it becomes minus 3y. 5 shifted over there, it becomes minus 5. 3 as it is. So 3 minus 5 becomes minus 2 and 5x minus 3y as it is. This is your equation second. Now you got two equations. Equation 2 is this and equation 1 is that. Now let us solve the simultaneous equations. So I will write equation 1 and 2 again for my reference. So I have 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is first equation and let me write the second equation as well. 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. This is my second equation. Okay, now while solving the simultaneous equation, first is see if the coefficients are equal. Are the coefficients equal? No. So first step is equalize the coefficient. It will be very easy if we multiply first equation by 3. Because here only y is there. Then it will become minus 3 by both the sides. So first let us do one by one. So multiply equation 1 by 3. So I multiply 3. 2x minus y is equal to 1. I get 6x minus 3y is equal to 3. This is equation 3. Up till here is it clear? Now you see, look at equation 1 and 3. If you look at equation 1 and 3, then you will come to know that, not equation 1, equation 2 and 3, okay? Equation 2 and equation 3, you will see that coefficients of y are equal. But they should have opposite sign, then we can add. But here both are having same sign. So we need to subtract. Are you understanding me? So subtract. So we will write What is the subtraction? If you are poor in English and if you don't know that if I am writing subtract 2 from 3, then it should be 3 minus 2, because that wording is important. If you don't know, then you should write subtract. And from what you are subtracting what? I want to do 6x minus 5x. So it is as good as 3 minus 2. This is to say that subtract second equation from third equation. Are you understanding me? Okay. So first we will be writing third equation. 6x minus 3y is equal to 3. From this I am subtracting 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Now subtraction means signs are going to change. We know that. So please keep some space over here. Your work should be neat and tidy. Alright. 5 is having plus sign originally. This will become minus. This minus will become plus. And this minus also will become plus. Now don't consider this side. Consider this. 6x minus 5x is only 1x. 3y minus 3y plus 3y 0 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. So you got value of x is 5. Now let us substitute value of x in equation 1. You can substitute in first equation, second equation or third equation so as to get the value of y. Choice is yours. We will substitute in equation 1. Okay. Substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1. Alright. Please pause the video and take it down. I am just erasing. Equation 1 I want. So I am keeping it. I am going to substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1. So this is equation 1. You need to write it again. 2 into, here there is multiplication sign between 2 and x. 2 into 5. X is equal to 5. Minus y is equal to 1. I want 10. I will shift. Okay, we will go step by step. I want y value. So y I am shifting here, it will become plus 1 plus y. And 1 if I shift here, it will become minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to y. So y will be equal to 9. Now we got x, we got y, but that is not the solution. They are saying find the fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is always numerator upon denominator. Our numerator was x and denominator is y. Okay, so what is our fraction? 5 upon 9. Is this clear? Okay. So please understand each step and then write it down. Let's go to the next problem. Let's go to the next question here. Let's go to the third question. Now see here. Sum of ages of Priyanka and Deepika is 34 years. Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years. Then find their today's ages. So let Priyanka's today's age will be is x years and Deepika's age is y years. Now sum means addition. Sum of their ages is 34 years. So first equation will be x plus y will be equal to 34. This is your first equation. Okay. Now second equation, let us see. Priyanka is elder to Deepika. X is greater than y. Priyanka is elder to Deepika by how many years? She is elder to Deepika by 6 years. She is elder. That means this is greater and this is smaller. So difference between them is 6 years. So we can write x minus 6 is equal to, how much is the, x minus y. Difference is how much? It is equal to 6 years. 6. This is your equation 2. So this is as per your first condition. This is first condition. And this is your second condition. Okay? Is this clear? So as per your first condition and as per your second condition. Okay? So you have x plus y equal to 34 and x minus y is equal to 6. It is so easy. We can add both because here already the coordinates are same. If we add, y and y will get cancelled. So we write adding equations 1 and 2. What do we get? Just see after addition. We have y is equal to 34 plus x minus y is equal to 6. So 2x will be equal to 34 plus 6 is 40. X will be 40 upon 2, which is equal to 20 years. Alright. So first answer we got. We have to find their today's age. So x is whose age? Priyanka's age. Alright. So Priyanka's age we got equal to 20 years. Now let us substitute x in equation 1. Substituting x is equal to 20 in equation 1. Okay. Let us substitute and find out. So we are substituting x is equal to 20 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y is 34. Okay. I am just erasing this. So x plus y is equal to 34. In this x is how much? 20. So 20 plus y is 34. So y will be equal to 34 minus 20. Therefore y will be equal to 14. Okay. So Priyanka's age is 20 and Deepika's age is 14 years. Therefore Priyanka's age is equal to x, which is equal to 20 years, and Deepika's age is equal to y, which is equal to 14 years. Done, students? So that's all from my side for today. Thank you. Write it down very neatly in your notebooks, okay?